Meth in itself is made with dangerous chemicals. You've got ammonia, acetic acid, chemicals that you shouldn't be ingesting or touching. So when we go do a meth cleanup job, the chemicals themselves usually are gone prior to our arrival by a hazardous waste company. And we will come in and take care of the structure. So we'll remove any of the soft goods, throw away contents. It also depends on if the state has declared it a declared lab or if it's just something that had meth usage in the home. So depending on the levels of the testing that came back, depends on how much clean we're gonna do. But the long-term effects, even from usage, you can have issues with your heart, your liver, your lungs. So it's serious stuff, and it needs to be mitigated properly. And again, depending on if the state or county or local authority has declared it a lab, certain situations will be force cleaned by that government entity before anyone can go back into the home and occupy it.